Hi guys, welcome to 360 Tech channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 3. This is my Christmas gift to myself and it's Boxing Day, so we are going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 3. This is an upgrade over the previous Meta Quest, so which I was using. So we'll talk about that in a second. This has two LCD display of 2640 by 2280 pixels per eye. It's actually a downgrade when we talk about coming from MetaQuest. So MetaQuest was OLED display, Rift S was OLED display. But what they did was to bump up the refresh rate to up 120 hertz. So you get a smoother feel and experience while using the headset. Testings is okay, much more better, much more comfortable. So also the CPU, they upgraded the CPU to a 2.8 GHz CPU. It has better eye and hand tracking, so you can actually use it without the controllers. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We go from here. Oh, we slide this out first and not. Okay. Wow, this is a nice peel and a nice peel on the other side. I think now I can slide it and whoa, we have the Meta Quest 3. Ah, this is amazing. Like wow, you see our two controllers here. This is very nice. So comfy. Let's see. But there's no Velcro, there's just normal rope. Prefer Velcro for straps, but this looks pretty sturdy, so you can do this in case playing a horror game. You don't just say you're doing something crazy, don't do that. Same for each hand. The build quality looks nice. Yeah, and I also need to add we're using the 128 gig that I got at works for myself. This is nice. Yeah. So we'll be opening it up. Let's see. How do we okay. Oh, this is better, a much better release system for the batteries. Unlike the previous versions where you slide down, you just press it and it comes off easily. This is very nice. So, because I had a problem where the covers are always sliding off my previous use. So this is nice. Um, sliding, sliding is a little bit soft. Okay, now. Oh, this is nice. Much better. Much better. No, it feels premium. And so let's look at the headset itself in a minute. Yeah. Pushing this back. Oh, so you can see the cameras for the tracking. We also have the IR sensor. This is okay. And the head strap. So the instructions are in here. So this is nice. Let's see how. Mm, so, so this is nice. Feels comfy. It's not on right now, so what I'm trying to check for is if you can get external lights in while playing game, and that causes distraction. So there is just little light coming from the nose area. You know, I have small nose, or they design it for their own nose type, or very little distraction as it comes to light penetration. Very little. So yeah, okay, for us that have long hair, I just noticed the Velcro can easily strap to your hair. So this is the life unboxing of the Meta Quest 3. We'll also talk about the features. You can tag this to your PC. So if you are into PC VR like I am, you can use the link cable and connect to your PC. You can also do that wirelessly. The box, we have some manuals. Let's see. How do I get this out? Oh, nice. Okay, it comes with a charger. As you can see, let's see how many watts this charger is. Oh, that's okay. How many watts? Check this. 18 watts. This charger is 18 watts. And we have the cord. We also have the manual. So that's all we have in the box. So nobody reads manual anyways. So that's all we have in the box. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will be making more videos on this and more games you can play on this. I'll also be posting my affiliate links to this if you want. So for more tips and for more unboxing of more tech gadgets like this, kindly subscribe, share and like the video. It will be much appreciated and it will help the channel out as well. Thank you.